Hi there and welcome to the first lesson. So what we'll be doing on this course is turning a real photo into a mock-up template. I've chosen an A4 sized brochure that has two sides and that I had here at home. As you can see, I took some photos of the brochure. I decided to go for number 5, which I'll also include in the course if you want to use the same image. So when you've learnt these techniques that I'll show you, you'll be able to take photos of brochures, cards, or other formats and turn them into mock-ups. So let's drag this image into Photoshop. And select OK. The first thing I'll do is save it by going to File, Save As, and I'll name the file Mockup Project. I'll save it as a Photoshop file, and I'll save it. Okay, let's go to Image, Image Size, to make some adjustments. We'll change the width to 1200 pixels. You can set the size of your mockups to whatever you like. When I take a photo, it's usually quite large, but I think that 1200 pixels is fine for the width. And the height, as you can see, automatically adjusts proportionally to 800 pixels. And I'll select OK. Now let's Control 0 to zoom in. Here it tells us we've zoomed in 113%, and I'll just change that to 100% so we can see it properly without it being pixelated. Press C on your keyboard, which is the crop tool, which we'll use to cut out the image. On this point here, I'll press Alt, I'll click and drag to the right. When you do this, see how the other side also moves. This makes the cropping proportionate. So we'll drag it to about here. And when we let go, click on the tick up here. So select the crop tool again. Click here or press C. And I'll just adjust it again, just on this side. And OK. And now in the following lessons, we'll start to edit this image so that we can use it as a mock-up template. So I'll see you in the next lesson.